Lily almost died. Lily almost died in Thailand.
Happy Super Sunday Fun Day. We are super duper excited. I don't know what else to say.
That was perfect. That was perfect. So do you guys like her intro better or mine? Welcome to today's vlog. Today's episode is gonna be pretty cool. We got something really fun and exciting planned. But first, we're taking Mike and Sarah on their first Tuk Tuk ride in Thailand. Take our ride. You guys ready for this ride?
Yeah, dude, hell yeah.
Okay. You have to go fast. Really, really fast. Okay? Okay. We got two chubby Americans and two skinny and small Americans. In a small little ride. Oh yeah, Lulu, you can fit right here.
You're sure I can fit there?
Yes.
Sorry.
Alright, we're doing this. We're doing this, guys! Hold on! Woo! Faster! Faster! Come here, Zulu! Hi, Zulu! Oh, look at you! Zulu just got a haircut and she's looking really good. She's got the mohawk back. Hi, girl. You're so awesome. This dog has been in more continents and countries than most people in America. Hashtag truth.
You wanna go? Alright, come on, let's get in the bag. Let's get in the bag.
That's so cool. So our awesome friend Quinn is taking on an adventure today. Can you tell us exactly what we're doing?
So we're gonna take some motorbike taxis to the Khlong Toei pier. Then we're gonna get on some boat, cross the river, and then rent some bikes and go on like this jungle bike ride tour in the middle of Bangkok, which is pretty cool.
Sweet. Y'all excited?
Yeah.
Yep.
You excited, baby?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, motor taxi time. This is the Vu Crew motorcycle gang. How you guys feel about this boat? We almost fell over.
Mike's rocking the boat.
Rock the boat.
I want you to
So, believe it or not, we are actually still in Bangkok. This is in the area of Bangkok called Khlong Toei. Did I say that right, Quinn?
I think so.
Khlong Toei. But it definitely feels like we're somewhere in like Chiang Mai or something. It's super cool. I shouldn't be vlogging while I'm riding a bike and not paying attention to the road with one hand. Whoa. My seat just moved on me. Mike, how you doing back there?
Chilling, dude.
I feel like we're back at home, dude. Like in Newport Beach and Huntington Beach.
do too, but like a jungle.
This is what we do at home. We bike ride everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, Huntington Beach is a big bike town. Everybody bikes.
But they bike around drunk.
Yeah, we bike around. You can actually get a BUI.
On a bike, yeah.
Biking under the influence. That's a ticket.
$10,000
That's a
fine.
ticket. Yep, BUI. Biking under the influence.
$10,000 fine. You
We're not getting a BUI in Thailand. That doesn't happen here. Do you guys remember that game Temple Runner? Check this out. Feels good.
Chokdi, good luck.
เคโชคดีโชคดี
What is that?
โชคดีโชคดีพุทโธติปิโสนะโมพุทธายะโชคดีโชคดีโอเคโอเคโชคดีโชคดีใครรัตนา
Sula doesn't like it.
อนุภาเวนะโชคดีโชคดีโชคดี
Okay, where are we at now, Quinn?
We're at one of the floating markets in Bangkok.
Oh, this is a floating market.
Well, it's not like the floating market you see in the photos,
Sweet.
but it is a floating market.
Nice. Lunchtime. We're about to have Bangkok slingshot competition. So it's me, Lily, and Mike. Who's the better slingshot shooter? Comment below if you think it's either gonna be me, Lily, or Mike. Who's the best? Who's the best? Here's the final score. David and Lily, 0. Big goose egg for 8. We got Mikey the champ, 2 for 8.
Told you in the beginning. Good job, bro.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
It was an awesome day riding bikes. Woo! What a workout, huh? We're sweating like crazy. We're heading back now. Gonna shower, then head to dinner with our good buddy Tung. The brothers are reunited. This is a very special moment, so you guys know that Tung is one of my favorite, if not my favorite all-around guy in Bangkok, Thailand. But joining us today is Mama-san. Mama-san is 73 years old, but she looks like she's 45 years old. So beautiful. Beautiful, mama. If you like seafood, you will appreciate this. If you don't like seafood, you won't. Oh, look at this. We also got that. Yep. It's crab and coconut paste. Oh, that looks delicious. We got this thing going on over here. All right, this is the name of the restaurant, Dancing Shrimp, and this is what the dish is called. Dancing Shrimp. That looks amazing, man. Thank you, Tung.
Oh, now I'm gonna be dancing for sure.
That's awesome. Alright, this is a sea bass. We literally ordered the whole menu. This is amazing. Look at this. Alright, bon appetit. Alright, this is our last dish. We're getting pretty full, but look at the size of these prawns. Check this out, guys. We're stuck. Like, we're wedged in between all these boats and we can't get through. It's crazy. It's so crowded over there, here on this side.
It's fun.
Yeah? You like the floating market?
Fabulous.
We're just bumping into everybody. This is crazy.